take you to the relaxing pond in my backyard here. So what I've done is taken a 3/8 drill bit that will fit the cylinder of that ABUS 7140. I cut it off, and actually it fits really snug. So then I cut a bevel in it. I did it on both sides, but this one came out really clean. And then I use that as a follower in this video. Okay, we got our 6 spring in the chamber there. I'm going to slide this follower up against it, just nudge it, grab our spool, set that on top of the pin. Just like that. Go above it with the tweezers and just kind of gently wiggle it until it wants to go into its spot. Come on. Okay. That one is home. And wiggle that up so make sure you can see the 5th spot. We'll throw a pin there, the springs in there. Okay, we'll grab the next spool. Same thing. Set it on top of the spring. Go above the spring with the tweezers. Push it down in the chamber, slide the follower forward. Rinse and repeat. The problem with these springs is, as you see, they shoot above the shear line of the Bible here. So you need to find a way to hold that spool on there above the spring, and that's what this follower does with the groove, and also going in on the angle so it can fall back and hold itself there while we get above it with the tweezers to help push it down. All right, halfway there. 3rd one done. Or pardon me, going on the 3rd one now. Set it on top. Go above. Push down. Push the follower forward. Grab the next spring. Okay, drop it. Follower on top. Push down with the tweezers. Kind of going, there we go. Went on a weird angle there. But I saved it. Good. All right. Final spring. And this one's a standard. Oops. Set it on top, just like that. Wiggle, push down. There we go. That's all loaded up. Here we go. And pin 2 is my 0 touch. All right, so let's go put these in order here. Sure or not. Okay, good. That's good. It's too tall for there, so that means this guy here is my pin 5 and pin 6. Oops, upside down. There we go. There we go. All sitting very flush. Okay, it's in. Okay. Okay, perfect. All right, we're good. Trying to get this bag back together. C-clip back on, and it goes on this way. Okay, good. There we go. Back together. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe so you can follow along with me in the exciting hobby of lockpicking. Hope to see you again. Take care.